heading out for a weekend of hiking. We're going to drive out up into the mountains and park the Jeep and then sort of hike out overnight. So just doing a bit of maintenance work, as you can see down here. That's where the spare tyre holder goes, and a couple of bolts were broken and the bracket had cracked. I mean, it is 30-year-old, so just doing a quick repair job. This is our bracket that's cracked across there. So just welding that back in and get some new bolts and good to go. Okay, we're setting it back in position. So we've welded that bracket, a new bolt through here, new bolt up here, about to put a new bolt in through here. Then I've got to get a new bracket across onto there. Solid now, don't want any wheel flying off on the highway. There it is, mounted. So you just want to get a split pin into there. This is where our jerry can goes. As you can see, that this has got a bit ratty looking. We'll pull all that off and we'll fix that up. Let's go and find our jerry can. There you go. There's an original style jerry can. That sits in there like that. And the strap goes over and ties it on, but this strap's very old. It could easily let go. So let's fix that up. We've got a new strap down here. Not quite the colour. We can paint it green down the track. We'll put that on there. Alright. I needed like maybe a 2 metre strap. I've got two 1 metre straps there. So that's good. Like that. That's staying there. It's just a little wire loop. The only thing is, it's probably a little bit rusty, this old tank. Let's have a look around here. Find a cigarette lighter, see if we can light it up, get a bit of light, see what's going on. What have we got down there? Cobwebs. Yeah, cobwebs, dead moth, lots of rust. So you know, I don't really want to be putting diesel into that. Sticking that into my ute. But anyway, we'll get another jerry can, but that's the original one that we usually ride on there. That's the one I will be using. Because this old girl is just for looks. Because it leaks. You can probably see that. So it's just for looks. Sadly, it's had its day. Okay, the next little project, we've got to replace the hood latches. They're not real good. In fact, the other side has non-existent. Is that a new one? Or a new 4 to go on? That's pretty amazing that that's been there 30 years and it literally just undid like that. I wonder if they will live with it. Could they be that lucky? Yep, that'll be good. Get some nuts onto there. I mean, you gotta love this. I bought these out of India and they're just like straight in, exactly the same hole pattern. That's just awesomeness. Although the little bolt they sent, yeah, I'm not real keen on that one. I want something that looks a bit more solid. There it is. 4 new hood latches. We'll just have to do the ones, the little hooks up there. Alrighty, I'm not going to bother swapping the hooks because they're fine, and these go in really nice. They seat right in, so that's awesome. Bonnet's not going to come off. Alright, this is where some of the packs have got to go. So I'm just putting in some tie down clamps like that. We'll have a few of those so we can strap our packs down. We've got a couple of us, 3 of us, there's not much room in the Jeep for luggage. So we're going to bolt that in there. So we've got a couple of ammo crates bolted in here. So we lock a bit of gear in there and like a jack and all that sort of stuff. So we're nearly good. Just got to fix this seat. The seat's got wedged down there, so I've got to unbolt that and lift it up. Pulled the old guards off. The bolts were very rusty and loose. So the guards were rattling, so we'll get some new bolts and rebolt that on there. Alright, putting the bumpers back on. Some nice new bolts, nice and solid now, so we'll whack this one on and it will be all good. Alrighty, we've got our fuel and I was thinking I would like one for my water, so I've got this other jerry can holder, so I'm thinking we could set it up just there like that. I reckon that'll be great. Drilled a couple of holes. We'll get it mounted up on the side, see how it looks. Righto, mate. That'll go up behind there for a bit of extra support behind the wheel arch. Looking good. Alright, let's grab our water can. We'll pop it on there, see how it fits in. Love it. Awesome. Right, quick lunch break, getting ready for our trip. We're on the countdown. And we've got a healthy lunch. Yeah. Potato, yeah, that's right. Hash browns, oh yeah. In here, vegan sausage rolls. Or vegan sausages. Yeah. Yeah, of course. It's all right. This is our axe and shovel. So I want to take it off and replace that. And put a new bolt on the back there just so it's easy to undo. Alright, new one going on. Some nice new bolts, nice new strap. The old one there, that's 30-year-old. It was actually only held in with self-tappers, so I'm going to put some bolts in it. I'm afraid the old axe handle, she's just had way too much weather. Sharp, but anyway, I'm going to just put it back on there just for the time being, and then we'll get a new handle for it. So we're going to use that, I reckon that'll just break in half.